Guys, it's me, Russell. This is a fourth vlog. Oh yeah, fourth vlog. I haven't missed one vlog, and it's the day of the camp. So I've been talking about it. I think last vlog I said we had a camp that there's like a church camp, and we're gonna stay up super late. We're gonna be doing the fun stuff, and it's gonna be super awesome. So it's not gonna be in this vlog. I'll make like another video for it, like not even like a vlog, just a video, and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna be with my friend Anthony there. It's gonna be super awesome, and yeah. So it's in the morning, 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock in the morning right now, and so. But it starts at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, so we have a long time to go. And also, you guys probably wondering why I'm recording in the bathroom. It's because it's the best lighting in the house, so it's really good. But enough of that talk. Let's go see what Caitlin's doing, and let's have some fun. Alright, so let me go. Caitlin! Caitlin! You want to say hi to the camera? Hi! Look at that beauty. Look at the beauty. Go away. That's how she treats me at mornings. Look at Snowball though. Look at him. He's doing nice and fur. So guys, this is the moment of truth. Is the Xbox working? This is number one. First, there's one bad news. The light is still blinking. Hey, you see that red thing on the top right here? It's so bright that it's making it. See, it's still blinking. That's one bad thing. But let's see if it still works. Let's turn the TV. Let's turn it on. Let's get this. Hey, come on, work. Why is this not working? There we go. And there's the Xbox controller. Here it is. The nice. Oh, now to see if it works. Come on. Come on. Turn the radio on. Let's go. Alright. So I have to unplug the Xbox again. Hopefully we're not make. You guys probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I have to unplug the Xbox before it can work. Right, we got that done now. Now we wait. Now, we have to turn the Xbox on. Turn it on. Now we wait. Okay, guys, it's working right now, but it always does that. But normally, like you can only use Netflix. I need to eat something. It's in the morning, so that's why my voice is kind of like, oh. Do I have Apple Jacks or Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Apple Jacks or Cinnamon Toast Crunch? That's hard. What would you guys pick? I'll probably pick. I like Cinnamon Toast Crunch the most, but right now I feel like Apple Jacks. It just feels. Okay, got my bowl. Time to do with the Apple Jacks. Time to get the milk. Okay, I got it. Oh. Oh yeah, pouring the milk. I like a lot of milk. Give me a lot. Here we go. Done with the milk. Let's go put it back now. This is my breakfast. With Apple Jacks and Sunny D. The beast has arrived. You see here on the right. Try to find my cat. Yep, you probably see it by now. Oh no. I poured too much cereal. I cannot finish this. I'll try though. Okay guys. So you guys probably wondering what was happening to the Xbox. It turned on, but yesterday we turned it on and we updated the Xbox. Now we have to do this again. I don't know what's going to happen to my Xbox. That was me and my brother's gift on Christmas. Oh well. Bye. So, let's look outside and see how oh, it's locked. Whoops. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Look at this. You cannot. It's just Texas is like it feels so good in the morning, but like in the afternoon, it's so hot. I'm like tired. I'm like, because I know that once we're at that camp, I'm gonna be all playing and stuff. I'm gonna be the one who's left behind, all tired. I'm gonna be staying up. I know my friend Anthony's gonna be going to sleep like at 4, right when we can go. So this is what's going on. The people at the camp is making us stay up till 4 o'clock where we can play games. But at 4 you can go to sleep if you want, and that's gonna be Anthony. Just get ready to watch the video, not a vlog. It's just a video about the camp because I don't think he's gonna stay up that long. He's gonna be like, yeah, I'm doing good. Then he's gonna get all tired and he's gonna go to sleep, like he knows us. Look at that. That's the future me in the mirror. Oh yeah, that's the future me when I grow up. Well, it's the same size, but like that's gonna be me in the future. And this is me right now. That's what I always thought. Like I thought it's just seems like if you look in the mirror, that's gonna be a future you. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm losing my mind. I think I'm losing my mind now. Hey buddy. Hey Smiley. So guys, I'm gonna be playing with Smiley. Hey, you wanna get your wings spread? Huh? Huh? Let's go. So we're gonna be letting Smiley loose and we're gonna be playing with her upstairs. Hey, Skittles, watch over Buddy. Like she would. Okay, time to get him out. Here we go, come on. Alright, I'm getting him out. Here we go. Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Back down, down. Get on. You want to go? Come on, let's get out. Get out. Molly, do you want to get out? I got him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Ow. Really? This is how you treat me on my first time? Oh, well, not the first time. I had him for like 100 years. Well, it's my brother. It's Tristan's bird. Oh my gosh. She did like that. Hey. Get off my head. She doesn't fly on much. She just likes to stay on people's head. You know, it'd be awesome if I got my GoPro on her head. Well, this attached to her. It'd probably be too heavy. That'd be awesome, though. I keep on forgetting that Smiley's on my head, so when I do that, she like just like that. So guys, if you want me to continue these vlogs over again and make some awesome and cool ones and keep on making them, just subscribe and leave a comment, because that would really help me out to make you know that some people are watching, and now I have to do something cool. Maybe sometime I don't know. Maybe we can go to like a lake sometimes and go swimming. But it just depends on you guys if you want me to. Because so far the vlog has been doing good, all of them, and I just really enjoy making vlogs. So if you want me to keep on continuing, please do it. And you probably think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I'm not. I'm gonna play with Smiley still. You just saw him. Hey, I just fixed my hair. Please. Stop. Oh. Okay, I don't know what she's doing up there, probably making a nest on my head, but or probably pooping. Hey, are you pooping up there? Okay, she's not. Alright. Ow! Ow! Stop! Oh my gosh. Oh, ow. Okay. Just get on. Thank you. My gosh. A little feisty one here. Got a feisty one. She's looking at herself. She was. Hey. Ow! Really? Oh my gosh. Jeez. She's like... Okay, stop. Please stop. She's like slapping me with her tail. Oh my gosh. Hey, get that up. Oh, my gosh. Jeez. I'm a pirate now. I'll see you later. Okay, come on. Go on, Molly. Come on. Please. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video now. Thank you so much for watching. This is Smiley. She's going to say bye. She just said bye. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a comment and like this video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys later.